see. I carry God so I cannot. Steady increase in the commands. Original no be parody. You know it's clear for your memory.
Hi sugars, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the popular tortoise shell design. I don't know if y'all been seeing it on Instagram, but it's very popular. I think that cheetah print, zebra print has been all over my timeline. But today my client requested tortoise shell, which is super cute. So basically with this, we did a fill-in for today, so that's why it's a nude base. But I think the nude base works out very well for this design. So right now I'm applying a jelly orange. I think this works better with the tortoise shell for the layering. So this is first, and then I did 2 layers of this jelly orange. Now I'm taking this jelly brown color and I'm going to use it with the blooming gel to apply the first layer of dots. And then this black gel will be for the second layer of dots. As you can see, I'm struggling to get out what's left, and I know there's something in there. It's just being difficult. I know it's gonna come out. Hold you for life. So now we are going to take the blooming gel, we're going to apply a nice layer of it, and then we're going to take our dotting tool and use the jelly brown to make the first round of dots. It's very important that you let the dots expand, I feel like, so you could get the right perimeter to make the tortoise shell design. You'll see what I'm talking about later. And I did 2 nails at a time because if you work with blooming gel before, I don't advise doing all the nails at once, if you get what I'm saying, because you don't want them to like overexpand. Sometimes they run off on the side of the nail, so I think it's better if you do 1 or 2 at a time. I think 2 at a time is because you can see how it expands. Ooh, it looks so cute. It looks honestly cute just like this, but I like the two dot layer method better.
Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time. You I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Let it last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body.
Now you're going to do the same process over with the black gel. So you'll apply the layer of blooming gel, apply the black dots right on top of the brown dots, let it expand a little bit. You want to see the brown underneath the black, and you're all done. Super cute, super easy. You just gotta make sure they expand. And yeah, that's about it.
I really wanna stay, I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. I don't really wanna stay, I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only been like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like thee.samurai.fairy, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I wanna contract girl, baby. In the meantime, it's time for what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sleep in the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. I'm gone for a year, only been like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, go what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want? Everybody beats like Otaku. Shut the mama, got the New York to shut. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract girl, no baby. In the meantime,
hot summer. I get Papa don't stop now. Living life, extreme my fire, burning bright within the inside me. Small leeway, my